This wonderful home with 4 bedrooms/3 full baths has had only 2 owners in its existence 46 years. It has been updated and upgraded over the last 15 years. The main level has beautiful hardwoods and the main bath, laundry room, sunroom have gorgeous tile. Main floor bathroom remodeled. New HVAC 2019 second level. Both bathrooms second level remodeled. The property has a drive-through 4-car garage and a 2-car garage. This house is a car collector's dream home. It could store boats, campers, ATVs, motorcycles, too. There is space for an amazing workshop or a man cave, too. The property is located within minutes of great schools, restaurants, shopping, Kennesaw National Battlefield Park and major interstates. Kennestone Hospital is also located within 10 minutes of this gorgeous homestead. The beauty of the property allows you to sit on your covered front or back porch and swing the afternoon away while you take in the all of the nature. One of the greatest features is the shaded lot that keeps the house cool in the summer and warm in the winter. The open floor plan on the main level welcomes social and family gatherings. There is a new waterline from the street to the house. Refrigerator remains with home along with 15 by 17 storage shed. Backyard has a nicely constructed retaining wall and a fire pit for your enjoyment. Home was built before 1978.